Hollywood app for ride, show, and attraction information, as well as maps and much more.
Inside a snowflake, like the one on your sleeve, there happened a story you must see to believe.
It's a date! It's an invitation! Come join the Jubilation celebration!
Ring the bells of hula and cheer! The grandest of moments is almost here! Happy hula days are here! Now the time for you! The bells are ringing, Santa's bringing
the Mayhew of Whoville. Welcome to our town, both the big and the small. As the Book of Who proclaimed, we welcome you to join in our grandest tradition, the Holiday Jubilation!
We love Christmas, yes we do. We love Christmas, we're the Who. Trim up the tree with Christmas stuff, like bingo balls and hoo-hoo fluff. Trim up the town with goo-goo guns and beer pinks and wands. Trim the tree with beer pinks and wands. Hooray!
Mayor Mayhew, what is the meaning of Christmas?
Why, it's awards, my child.
Parades! Presents! Actually, darling, the most important thing about Christmas is looking good. I have been working overtime this year on my spectacular, hootastic holiday display. Bring on the decorations.
Oh dear.
But Christmas has to be more than twinkling lights. It's everyone at home that makes Christmas so right.
Oh, right, I almost forgot. The town of Whoville is proud to announce this year's Jubilation Cheermeister. And we have someone very special to present the award, our very own Cindy Lou Who.
I'm very happy to present the Jubilation Cheermeister going to Mr. Grinch.
Cindy Lou Who, I'm very disappointed in you.
I just wanted everybody to be together for Christmas.
Oh, it's a Grinch. Howdy! Airbag's a little slow. Get some salt!
Mr. Grinch, you really are. As a cactus, you're as charming as any, Mr. Grinch. The Grinch slithered and slunk with a smile most unpleasant around the whole room, and he took every present. He cleaned out the icebox as quick as a flash. Why, that Grinch even took the last can of Who Hash. Toys, tinsel, and trim were looted with glee. And then he stole a light bulb from the tree. The Grinch put his hand to his ear.
Well, hear that? No singing, no drumming, because I, the Grinch, the Christmas homecoming!
Welcome Christmas on this way. Welcome Christmas, Christmas Day.
Yeah, booga, booga!
There you are, Mr. Grinch.
What do you want?
To wish you a Merry Christmas. No one should be alone on Christmas.
What? Christmas still came? Even though I stole it all?
All right, what do we have here?
You got me, officer. I did it. I stole all your Christmas. It's true.
You heard him, everyone. He admitted it.
I did.
Now, can we just get back to Christmas the way it's supposed to be? Grinch-less. Bring me the book.
Bring the book.
Uh-huh.
You book of who?
Thank you. The term Grinchy shall apply when Christmas spirit is in short supply. If it's in the book of Who, then in every way it has to be true.
But, Mr. Mayor,
What?
the book also states that no matter how different a Who may appear, they will always be welcome with holiday cheer.
I stole all your Christmas, kid. I mean, come on. I stole all your toys.
Silly Mr. Grinch, those are just things. Christmas is about being together.
The Grinch puzzled and puzzled till his puzzler was sore. Then the Grinch thought of something he hadn't before.
Maybe Christmas doesn't come from a store. Maybe Christmas, perhaps, needs a little bit more.
Now you know the true meaning. Nothing's been missed. And now that we're all together, you deserve this.
The heck is that? Hey,
Merry Christmas, Mr. Grinch.
what am I supposed to do?
What happened then? Well, in Whoville, they say that the Grinch's small heart grew 3 sizes that day.
Whoa, that is... Yo, what is that? Hey, welcome Christmas! Bring a cheer to all who's far and near.
Christmas Day will always be just as long as we have we.
So welcome Christmas while we stand heart to heart and hand in hand.
You look good in that medal.
I'll say.
As the mayor of Whoville, I hereby decree, let us light this stupendous, magnificent tree!
Everyone count from 1 to 3. Are you ready?
I am.
1, 2, 3.
It's beautiful.
Wait. Don't wait. I forgot one little moment. Here
was singing. He hadn't stopped Christmas from coming. It came. Somehow or other, it came just the same.